Hello, in this video we will take a look at the process for reverse engineering a toy aeroplane propeller. Hope you'll enjoy the workflow. The first thing that we will do is to scan the propeller, and in order to do that we will be spraying the part with a 3D scan spray. It can easily be removed. This is important to get accurate data and dimensions. So once we set up on a 3D scan bed with all of those markers in black, we can continue scanning. Here I'm using a blue laser scan, and this is how it looks like in the software. This is the scan software. You will scan the whole object. Took like 15-17 minutes, something like that, to scan the whole thing. And once that's done, you can export this as mesh and bring it to 3D software for further processing. In our case, we will be centering it into the origin and do a quick visualization. So this is a fun part of the process, which we're just assigning materials just to take a look at the 3D scan surface finish. And here I'm just setting up some lights, some materials, and we're gonna assign like a matte black material, and just to see how it will look like, just to see how the final product might look like. This is all, that's just a render. Didn't quite like the paperclip in the image, so I'm just gonna remove that part of the blade, copy that section of the blade that you just saw, and gonna rotate it 90 degrees and copy it twice, so you'll have no paperclip there in the final image. And here just assigning a different material, the black plastic material, and that will be the final render. Now we can move on to the most important part here, which is the parametric 3D modeling of the propeller. As you can see, you have the scanned it as a reference at the back in black, and you're using that as a guide to get the dimensions, and then we can model the first piece, the centerpiece, which I'm calling the base for the propeller. Once that's done, we can proceed to design the blade. The blade is the most challenging part. You have all of these different surfaces there. So the way I tackled this problem was to create different cross section between the length of the blade and loft it to get the accurate surface. And finally, we have the part that clips into the airplane body. So I'm just designing this piece here, and this part is the cutting tool to cut into the clip to make it flexible so it can enter the body. So that's it as part of the designing the propeller. I'm using Autodesk Inventor. It's mechanical. It's widely used in mechanical engineering. And now we are in Bamboo Lab Studio to print these parts that we've created. So I'm creating support material. So some of these parts cannot be printed directly. So as you can see, all of those checker mark there is where you have to put a support material that's in white, and black is the actual material. And there you go. That's the final print. If you would like to have more information, just let me know. I'll try to give more information as we go along. But I hope you enjoyed the video, and thank you. Goodbye.